The grocery stores in our area were a little bit busier today.
Yeah, people are out there stocking up on food and other supplies in anticipation of this winter weather.
News 4's Jackie Bensen spoke with shoppers in D.C., Maryland, and Virginia about what they're buying.
Asking what's in your winter weather shopping cart never gets old because the answers are as unique as the shoppers themselves. Outside a busy grocery store in D.C.'s Cathedral Heights neighborhood, we asked people what they thought was the most common stuck-at-home food shoppers are buying.
I'd say at a guess pasta.
Something hot, something comfortable, like I have chili, because I think that's a very comforting winter meal.
At a grocery store in Hyattsville, Maryland, it was also a bit busier than usual. Some shelves in the water section awaited restocking.
Probably something liquid. I don't know. Yeah, probably something liquid, probably water.
Another popular purchase.
For the snow days, like it's a winter storm, so I was just getting ready if the power goes out, just getting ready for my home.
And in Arlington, Virginia, the line of cars waiting to get into the parking lot of a Costco-anchored shopping center stretched down the block. Outside a busy grocery store nearby, we asked shoppers what they thought most people were buying in anticipation of being stuck at home for a bit.
Probably milk and eggs, but that's not what I bought. I got meat and beer.
The shelves indicate he was not the only one. Another item we saw disappearing from the shelves: batteries. In the event of a power outage, a battery-operated lantern or flashlight is much safer than candles. In Arlington, Jackie Bensen, News 4.